Hey, what time is it? I know this sounds like a simple and obvious question. And before you look at your phone, or you look at your watch, or the internet, or wherever it is that you get your time from, stop. Don't even think about it. Put the technology away. I want you to sit back and listen to your body and tell me, what time is it? Because you see, at an organismal level, at a tissue level, at an organ level, at a cellular level, your body knows what time it is. Because we live on a planet that follows a 24-hour cycle, and we're optimized to function in the similar 24-hour schedule. And this isn't just us. This is almost all of the natural world. It's all mammals. It's most of the animal kingdom and plants as well. We're optimized to follow a similar 24-hour period and function and behave in different ways depending on the time of day. But how does this work? How does our body tell time? How do our cells tell time? Well, part of the equation involves things called cues, which include things like light and how we respond to them. There's also other cues, including things like food anticipation and metabolism and temperature changes and things like that. And while, yes, this is really important for determining, hey, what time of day it is, it doesn't actually make up the clock itself. That's something else. There's something separate going on there. Really nice experiment was performed in the 1960s, which demonstrated this nicely. A bunch of people were shoved into a bunker underground, and they didn't know anything about the time of day that was going on outside. They were given no cues, and yet their physiology still was maintained at a 24-hour cycle. So this shows that even with no cues, you can still function on a 24-hour schedule. But how does this work? How are we telling time? The answer lies within the cells, or every cell within your body. What does every cell in your body have? DNA. And what's contained within that DNA? Genes. The answer to this circadian rhythm, the signaling that dictates our daily schedules, is in how genes are expressed every day. There's a certain group of genes that are expressed highly at one time in the day and that decrease throughout the day and ultimately reset every day. These genes drive expression of other genes and therefore derive function in every cell in the body. So if you think that you don't know the time, that your cells don't know the time, believe me, they do. And if they don't, that can actually lead to problems. Because if your cells don't know what time it is and then function in a chaotic way, that can actually predispose you to a lot of different conditions, including metabolic disorders and neurological disorders.